Right, here we have a Harrier 56 Pro, I think it is. You tell me what it is. Mower. Got a few, needs a bit of care and attention. This for a start. It needs one of them thingamajigs on the end of it. Right, how do I start this? Put it into choke on. Right. I haven't even checked if there's any fuel in it. Hopefully there is. Oh yeah, I've got to hold this back as well. Hold this back. Oh yeah, need 3 hands now. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I hope you can see this. Right, yes you can. No, not first start. Right, here we go. Try to. Right, okay, I'm just making it. Nope. This is set on too high, that's why I didn't cut any grass. Right, let's put it into there. Okay, bring this back. You can hear the kids playing. Oops, missed it. Where is it? Where's the camera? Here it is. See if it's got the grass. Yeah. As you can see, it's not got it there. We didn't put it there. Well, let me know. What do you think? Harrier 56.